Typhoon Mawar is already landed. And as you can see, wind is getting strong each day. Ayan po mga kababayan. Yan. Palakas na ng palakas ang hangin. We are here located at the sea line of Guam. And as you can see, wind start blowing so strong. Be safe, everyone. Be safe.